Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about interesting AI template. So in this, there are many AI templates are available to analyze your PDF. So you can upload your PDF. That PDF, you can ask questions with that PDF, and you can get answer from this PDF. In the same concept, we are going to explore today. So we are going to analyze pictures in that particular PDF. So we will give an input prompt to analyze that pictures. So let us check whether that explanation of the picture will be generated in the particular AI template or not. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template, which will be very useful for your literature review. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to analyze different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and we will check whether the ChatGPT content will be better for our research paper writing or not. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested in designing EV charging station, that is electric vehicle charging station, so here is a opportunity. This is a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy for generating energy to the EV charging station, and we are going to explore with different types of MPPT techniques to grasp maximum amount of energy from that PV and wind energy sources, and then we are going to incorporate it with EV, that is EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI template what we are going to discuss today is that, so chat with PDF template. So this is the LMS AI chatbot, especially that is research templates, which is especially designed to designed for our research paper writing. So here you can see these are our LMS AI templates: summarizer, paraphrasing, grammar correction, literature review, detailed literature review, chat with PDF, chat with paper, reference to content, reference style converter, explain the table, generate MATLAB code, translator, chatbot, blog article, etc. So these are the different types of LMS AI templates. So in this templates, we are going to discuss about this chat with PDF. So for literature review alone, we are having 5 different AI templates. So just click on this chat with PDF. So it will lead to a dashboard like this here. So in this, what you can do is you can upload your paper, that is reference papers, and you can analyze the reference paper bits and pieces by asking questions. So these are some of the possible questions can be asked with that particular reference paper, or else you can type whatever the questions in your mind you can ask. So in this video, our main focus is to analyze the pictures in that reference papers. So let us upload some random reference paper, thereby you can get an idea. So in order to do so, I am going to upload this paper. So this is a paper, you can see economic integration of renewable energy and conventional power sources, a case study. So here you can see, so this is the paper. So these are some of the pictures. For example, please make a note that figure 4, microgrid structure with available resources at must site. Next, figure 5, proposed microgrid for must site. So these are the 2 pictures we are going to ask to analyze. So in order to do so, I am going to, and also you can see some of the graphs here. So here you can see, thereby you can get a better idea. Figure 6, figure 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 3 figures we are going to ask for analysis. So in order to do so, I am going to that same template again. So you can browse that particular PDF and you can upload that PDF. So this is the PDF I am going to upload. So I have uploaded that PDF. So after that, I am going to ask explain figure 4 in detail, and also explain the components of the figure. So like that, I am going to give an input prompt, explain figure 4 in detail, and also explain the components of the figure. So and click on ask. So it will take several seconds to generate. So what we do, we mostly analyze that particular that is theoretical content alone. So here you can see this is how the content is generated. So explain figure 4 in detail and also explain the components of the figure. So figure 4 shows the microgrid structure with available resources at must university. The figure includes the components. Yes, it comprises of a solar panel. So here you can see that SPV panel, specifically the SG200M model are connected to DC bus to the grid. So next, battery bank. The battery bank with a capacity of 1 kilowatt hour is also connected to the DC bus. It stores excess energy generated by SPM panels. Next you can see the diesel generator, grid and bidirectional power converter. So this is how you can get the explanation of the figure in detail using our AI tool. So this will be a fantastic option. So just where you can upload your research paper and explain, and you can get the explanation of the figure. If you want the algorithm of a particular flow chart, so if you want algorithm of a particular flow chart in your reference paper, so you can upload your reference paper and you can mention the figure and you can ask a prompt like this. So it will generate a better content for us. So let us explore with some other example. Here you can see that the next input prompt I have given is that explain figure 5 in detail. So in order to get a better understanding, I will show. So this is the figure 5. So it's a proposed microgrid for the must site. So we will go again. So here you can see figure 5 shows the proposed microgrid design for the must site in Mirapur campus. So the components of the microgrid of the 5 there is figure 5 include. So again the solar panel, and then you can see the battery bank, the diesel generator, the grid. So this is how you can get the explanation of the figure or explanation of any block diagrams or flowchart in seconds. So like that you can give an input prompt. So according to that prompt it will generate better answer for you. So don't forget to check this chat with PDF and explore this option. So many of you often use it to check this options only, the possible theoretical questions, or you can ask any theoretical questions only. So you can analyze your pictures also in our AI tool. So make use of this option to make your that is literature survey very strong. If you want, if you are impressed with a flowchart in any of your reference paper, so you can get the algorithm of the particular flowchart in minutes, or explanation of any block diagram, so you can get the explanation of the block diagram in minutes. So you can make use of this option. So apart from this, there are many templates are available. So this our main objective is to make your research paper writing simpler using AI support. So these are the templates which is especially designed for research. So you can make use of this option.